The original intention was to have the ebook distinct from the textbook. In fact, they will be the same book. That's the plan as I sit here. They're pretty well ready to go. I've just been reviewing this book, The Value of the Māori Language, and it's a very good book. It's got a lot of good things in it, and it fits with a lot of what I've been saying. So we have two things happening. One is that this is probably one of the few books that's out there. I mean, I'm sure there are others in both Māori and English for the whole book. One of the things I think we should think about too is that there was for a long time a situation where all proclamations and so forth were in English and Māori in this country, or legal statements that the government wanted to get out to Māori. So it's not that unusual to have something written in English and translated into Māori. What is unusual, I think, is a 200-page academic book, and that's what we have here. So reo is going out, and early comments are that it's interesting and so forth. The sorts of things that are now coming over from the value of the Māori language are things like comments by and others about relationships really with government that I haven't spent as much time on. I haven't really delved into that, apart from saying that I think that the whole thing is too state dependent. But having said that, that's not something I'm opposed to. I want the government to be involved in the development of the Māori language, and it's just that some of the reading is really very passionate about the relationship with the state, and a lot of energy is going into the state, which may not be going into the development of te reo. And that said, I think also there's a lot of good things that I'm reading too about, say for example, and her role in the kohana reo. It's really fantastic, it's really brilliant. You're with Peter Cleve, and I look forward to you reading and commenting on e ngā reo. Tēnā koutou.